Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tailloom Studios. Feeling overwhelmed, scattered, or just not quite yourself? What if I told you there's a lightning fast way to hit your brain's reset button and change how it works instantly? Let's dive into this incredibly effective 2-minute technique. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information, leading to mental fatigue, reduced focus, and even stress. Just like any computer, our minds sometimes need a quick reboot to function optimally. This simple exercise leverages the power of your breath and attention to create that instant shift. Here's your 2-minute brain reset. Find a comfortable position, and if you feel safe to do so, gently close your eyes. Focus breathing, 40 seconds. Bring your awareness entirely to your breath. Notice the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and gently leaving your body. You don't need to change your breathing, just observe it. If your mind wanders, and it will, gently guide your attention back to your breath each time. Body scan, 30 seconds. Now, expand your awareness to your physical body. Notice any sensations without judgment. Feel your feet on the ground, your body in the chair, the feeling of the air on your skin. Simply observe. Open awareness, 5 seconds. Gently expand your awareness to include any sounds around you, without labeling them or getting carried away by them. Simply let them be. Take one final deep breath and slowly open your eyes. You should already feel a sense of calm and increased presence. This quick reset helps to quiet the mental chatter, bring you into the present moment, and shift your brain from a state of stress to one of greater balance and focus. Use this anytime you need an instant mental refresh. Did you feel the difference? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and effective brain hacks. Thanks for watching.